Mhlambe umuntu angasho ukuthi hey kufika lana it wasn't easy, but is ukuthi ke ema competition that side in the northern side iphele on the last day, so the competition was very tight. Coming to my preparation, ukuthi bafana ba ready for imidlalo. Taking into consideration that most of labadlali abakhona kuleli qembu they've been there for more than 10 years. Yes, because about 8 of them they were part of the team that won the regional Kwenyama Cup. So ngicabanga ukuthi bafana batawudlala kahle kakhulu.
Okay, coach, we understand ukuthi wena namhla coach lo defender, you've been there for the past 2 champions eMwami Cup. But nyawo yokubekana nema current champions ayona. Ukuthusa kangakanani ukusalusebenza?
Angasho ukuthi yoba igame lemadima, igame lemnanzi, but ngitsangivete ukuthi hayi ngidlungiselele abacina bemajukujuku. Ipressure ikhona indase speak. Bantu benzawo i-team abasayifundele khona sesitha isikhathi ihleli ka Super League kungasindzawo yayo sebayidzinga eDulu, so abakugadze ukuthi vele ngeke kube umdlalo olula.
Mhlawumbe coach nje ufisha one coach ukuthi anicala ukuthi nemajukujuku, I think they are one of the big teams also kaho ukuthi mhlawumbe nje utsenisana kanzima sesibili ukuthi this is the chance ukuthi you are back to first division, and nafika first division vele nihamba ngoba Premier League.
Angicanga umuntu kungaba kumema sonke siveza sesipiki sivele ngetinkani sitowitnessa lokhu kuwina kweMangisi team lenkulu ibiyele emva kwathi sekusiphana ka Premier League ikile yafika ngetikhathi abomathokoza nabo Juries, so vele ngeke kube abavele batojabula baphume ngetinkani.
Sinasho ukuthi cala home i-advantage kuwe nalokuthi engabe khona ama-injuries onawo kwesikhathi sakho.
Abafana cishe baphelele bonke, cishe bataye baphelele bonke, nalabo banemanokho cishe bareportile itolo ku-training bakhombokalisa inqubo lenhle towards lo mdlalo. So ngisho ukuthi vele squad sitabe siphelele. But babuke vele now ubuka le structure sabo ngabuka ukuthi ukutaba I walk on the park, but akutawuliwa.